Meanwhile, the healthcare system in Maharashtra is crumbling. There are no hospital beds. Medical supplies like oxygen cylinders are running low and doctors and healthcare workers are overwhelmed. Here's how the state and its hospitals are coping with the Maha-COVID surge.
Angry relatives of a COVID-19 patient in Mumbai's Nalasopara came to blows with the hospital administration. The relatives created ruckus after the patient died within 3 hours of being brought to the hospital. They allege that the death was due to lack of oxygen and that the hospital did not inform them about the short supply. As Maharashtra battles second COVID surge, hospitals in the state are bursting at its seams. There are no beds, no medicines, no doctors.
The medical facilities, the entire healthcare facilities in the state of Maharashtra and Mumbai have collapsed. They have absolutely gone to ground zero, from taking tests to getting beds in hospitals to getting life-saving drugs to actually scoring ambulances to pick up your parents and drop them across. The whole system is collapsed.
My father got infected with COVID. We struggled a lot, but there were no beds available at all. We were struggling for almost 4 hours just for an ambulance to take him to for his final rides. But the driver just gave me an excuse that I have quit the BMC job, and now I am running on my private ambulance. And if you want me to get this done for you, you have to pay me 7,000 rupees.
In Satara, a COVID patient was administered oxygen in an auto rickshaw outside Vadu's rural hospital because there were no beds available. Currently, there are over 8,000 active cases in the district and hospital beds are all full. These patients at Silver Jubilee Hospital in Baramati are being administered oxygen in the veranda. The overcrowded hospital has run out of beds. With a capacity to treat 92 patients, the hospital is now forced to treat over 192 patients. With hospitals in Maharashtra running out of beds and facilities already stretched, State Guardian Minister blames celebrities for the shortage.
अब इतने बड़े-बड़े स्टार्स लोग, अगर अक्षय कुमार, उसके बाद में हमारे क्रिकेटर जी हो गए, उसके बाद में एक्ट्रेस हो गई, अगर ये लोगों ने जाके अगर बेड्स ऑक्यूपाई करे तो जिनको जरूरत है उनको तो मिलता नहीं है। महानगर पालिका ने निर्देश निकाला है कि उनको जो है वो वार्ड लेवल से आदेश मिलने के बाद ही लिया जाए, लेकिन अभी सेलिब्रिटी हैं, सचिन तेंदुलकर जी हो गए, कैटरीना कैफ जैसे लोग हो गए, तो ये लोग कहीं ना कहीं अपना सोर्स लगा लेते हैं जो ठीक नहीं है।
With the surge only intensifying, the squeeze on hospitals will only get worse. Expect more tensions, if not all-out unrest. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.